What's the meaning of blankness? Blankness. Blankness.
Blankness. Blankness. Blankness refers to a state of being empty or devoid of any content, whether it be physical or abstract. In its most literal sense, blankness can refer to a blank piece of paper, a blank canvas, or a blank screen that has yet to be filled with words, images, or other forms of communication. Blankness can also refer to a lack of emotion, where one feels numb or devoid of feelings. Additionally, blankness can describe a state of confusion or lack of direction, where one is unsure of what action to take or what decision to make. Overall, blankness suggests a state of emptiness or absence.